What I wish I knew about fall cleaning instead of just raking leaves. Buckle up, clean freaks. Fall cleaning is more than just a seasonal chore. It's a ritual that prepares your home for the cozy months ahead. It's about creating a warm, inviting space where you can hunker down and enjoy the winter without worrying about the remnants of summer cluttering your life. First up, let's tackle those summer items. Summer is all about fun in the sun, but now it's time to pack away those memories until next year. Start by gathering all your summer gear, beach towels, swimsuits, pool toys, and outdoor games. Give everything a good clean before storing it away. This way, when summer rolls around again, everything will be fresh and ready to use. Clean and store your outdoor furniture and garden tools. Your patio furniture has served you well through countless barbecues and lazy afternoons, but now it needs some TLC. Wipe down tables and chairs and make sure to remove any dirt or grime. For garden tools, clean off any soil and check for rust. A little maintenance now can save you a lot of hassle later. Trust me, future you will thank you when you're not scraping off rust next spring. Imagine pulling out your tools next year and finding them in perfect condition. No rust, no dirt, just ready to help you create a beautiful garden once again. Next, let's prep your cozy nest. Your home should be a sanctuary, especially as the days get shorter and the nights get colder. Start by decluttering your living spaces. Put away any items that scream summer and replace them with cozy autumnal touches. Think warm blankets, soft pillows, and maybe even a few scented candles to set the mood. Time to bring out the heavier bedding and winter clothes. Swap out your light, airy sheets for something more substantial. Flannel or fleece sheets can make a world of difference on a cold night. And don't forget your wardrobe. It's time to bring out the sweaters, scarves, and boots. Make sure everything is clean and ready to wear. Give them a good wash before they go on your bed or in your closet. There's nothing quite like the feeling of fresh, clean bedding. It not only smells great, but also ensures that you're not bringing any dust or allergens into your cozy space. Nothing says fall like fresh-smelling blankets. Imagine wrapping yourself in a warm, freshly laundered blanket while sipping on a hot cup of cocoa. It's the little things that make the season special. Onto the fireplace and chimney. A fireplace can be the heart of your home during the colder months, but it needs to be clean and safe to use. Start by removing any old ashes and soot. This not only improves the efficiency of your fireplace, but also reduces the risk of a chimney fire. Grab a sturdy brush and some elbow grease. Cleaning a fireplace can be a dirty job, but it's essential for safety and efficiency. Make sure to wear gloves and a mask to protect yourself from dust and debris. Clean out all that soot and ash. Once the interior is clean, take a moment to inspect the fireplace for any cracks or damage. If you notice anything concerning, it might be worth calling in a professional for a more thorough inspection. And don't forget to check for any blockages. A blocked chimney can be dangerous as it can cause smoke and harmful gases to enter your home. Use a flashlight to look up the chimney and make sure there's a clear path for smoke to escape. Safe and warm is the way to go. Now let's talk gutters. Gutters play a crucial role in protecting your home from water damage, but they can easily get clogged with leaves and debris during the fall. Climbing up there might not be fun, but trust me, you don't want clogged gutters when the fall rains hit. Clogged gutters can lead to water overflow, which can damage your roof, walls, and even the foundation of your home. Scoop out the gunk and rinse them clean. Use a garden hose to flush out any remaining debris and ensure that water can flow freely through the gutters and downspouts. Your house will thank you by staying dry. A well-maintained gutter system can prevent costly repairs and keep your home safe from water damage. Finally, don't forget your windows and doors. These are the barriers that keep the cold air out and the warm air in. So it's essential to make sure they're in good condition. Clean the glass and check the seals. Dirty windows can block natural light and make your home feel gloomy. Clean windows, on the other hand, can brighten up your space and improve your mood. A little weather stripping goes a long way in keeping the cold out. Check the seals around your windows and doors for any gaps or cracks. Applying weather stripping can help to seal these gaps and improve your home's energy efficiency. Energy efficiency for the win. Not only will this keep your home warmer, but it can also save you money on your heating bills. And hey, while you're at it, swap out your seasonal decor. Changing your decor can be a fun way to embrace the new season and make your home feel fresh and inviting. Clean and store those summer vibes and bring out the autumn feels. Think pumpkins, fall leaves, and warm colors. These little touches can make a big difference in creating a cozy atmosphere. You're all set for a cozy, clean fall. Happy cleaning, folks. Remember, a little effort now can make a big difference in how you enjoy the season. Until next time, stay tidy. Keep up with these tips and your home will be a warm, inviting haven all winter long.